is time now to proceed to the next. We're going to come to the front of the mat. As you're inhaling, arms all the way up in Tadasana.
Mahamudra-baddha-konau Tadasana-vibhedakan Vinottanam sada kuryat Antarvatni-pati-priya.
Release, hands all the way down, Uttanasana.
Mahamudra-baddha-konau Tadasana-vibhedakan Vinottanam sada kuryat Antarvatni-pati-priya.
And walk the feet back into Tarakshvasana.
Gajasanavasthita mastakam varam varam dakshina kukshim savya kukshim nayet tarakshvasanam bhavati.
And let's proceed, coming all the way down into Bhujangasana. Lifting the heart, shoulders away from the ears.
Angushtanabhiparyantam adho bhumau vininyaset karabhyancha dharan dhritva urdhvashirshah phanivahi dehagnirvardhate nityam sarvaroga vinashanam jagarti bhujagi devi bhujagasana sadhanat.
And tuck the toes under, lifting the hips all the way up into Gajasana.
Nyubjam padagre bhumau kritva lambi bhuyamastagre nidhaya nitambam urdhvamutramaya nabhilakshyam bhumau nasikam aniya hastatalaparyantam nayeditham punah punah kuryad gajasanam bhavati.
And walk the feet forward, Uttanasana.
Mahamudra-baddha-konau Tadasana-vibhedakan Vinottanam sada kuryat Antarvatni-pati-priya.
And inhale, arms all the way up. Tadasana, and on the exhale, hands by your sides. Very good. Now firmly rooting yourself through the left foot on the ground. You're going to bring the right foot into either one of the variations for us to enter into Vrikshasana. Hands in Namaskara Mudra. Hands in Namaskara Mudra. Gazing at one point in front of you. Vrikshasana.
Vamoru mula deshe cha yamyam padam nidhayatu tishthettu vrikshavad bhumau vrikshasanamidam viduhu.
And slowly release. Hand on the right foot as you bring the foot towards the left hip. Bringing the knee pointing down, slightly bend the left knee. Hands in Namaskara Mudra, Garudasana 1.
Garudasanama vakshye yena dhyanam sthiram bhavet sarvadoshadvinirmukto bhavatiha mahabali ekapadam urau badhva ekapadena dandavat janghapada sandhi deshe jhanvyagram vyavasthitam.
And release. Bringing the right foot on the ground. Bringing the left foot exactly as you did in the other side. Balancing through the right foot as we enter into Vrikshasana. Hands in Namaskara Mudra.
Vamoru mula deshe cha yamyam padam nidhayatu tishthettu vrikshavad bhumau vrikshasanamidam viduhu.
And slowly release. Hands on the left foot as you bring the foot towards the right hip. Bending the knee, pointing down. Slightly bend the right knee. Hands in Namaskara Mudra, Garudasana 1.
Garudasanama vakshye yena dhyanam sthiram bhavet sarvadoshadvinirmukto bhavatiha mahabali ekapadam urau badhva ekapadena dandavat janghapada sandhi deshe jhanvyagram vyavasthitam.
And release. Come to the front of the mat. As you bring the right foot all the way back, keeping the left foot forward, you're going to inhale the hands parallel to the ground. And as you exhale, you're going to lean forward and down, bringing the left hand down, right hand all the way up, looking up towards the fingertips. Make sure the hips are forward and the shoulders back. in Trikonasana.
उत्तानपादं क्रौञ्चं च मरीचिं वीरभद्रकं नटराजं त्रिकोणं च सुप्ताङ्गष्ठप्रसारणे.
Look down, inhaling up, and on the exhale, bringing the right foot forward. Next, the left leg back, keeping the right foot pointing forward. Inhale. And on the exhale, you're going to lean forward and down, looking up through the left fingertips towards the sky in Trikonasana.
उत्तानपादं क्रौञ्चं च मरीचिं वीरभद्रकं नटराजं त्रिकोणं च सुप्ताङ्गष्ठप्रसारणे.
Look down, inhale up, and on the exhale, leaning forward and down, just standing forward. Next, feet together, knees together. We're going to come into the tip of our toes, bending the knees, and bringing the hands in front of the heart into Angushtasana.
कबन्धासनमित्याहुः गोरक्षासनमेव च अङ्गुष्ठमुष्टिकं ज्ञेयं ब्रह्मप्रासादितं तथा.
Bringing the hands on the knees with the palms facing up, gazing towards the ground between the hands in Brahma Jurankushasana.
दोवु फणा पाणी होई बैसे येडी दो गुदा निवैसे कोर पगथल्या की माहिली आपस माही राखे मिली दोवु गोड़ा आगे आने सुधो करी ऊंचा ले ठाने हाथ दोवु ले ऊपर धरे हथेली सुधी करे.
Release. Now you're going to bring the knees on the ground. Hands by the knees as we enter into Kapilasana.
उभे पग थली सम ठहरावे तिनकी माहिली कोर मिलावे फणा पानी उकड़ होई बैसे एड़ी दोवु जोनी निवैसे गोड़ा दोवु भूमि लगावे सम शरीर नीका ठहरावे हस्त दोवु गोड़ा परि राखे नासा दृष्टि अचल करि दाखे.
Very good. So here in Kapilasana, we usually keep the gaze at the tip of the nose. Now we're going to proceed gazing into the third eye, into Brahma Gorakshasana.
दोवु पग थली संपुट करे कोरवारिली भूपरि धरे कोरवारिली राखे ऐसे तापरि मूल द्वारि टिकी बैसे गोड़ा पीड़ी भूव परि दाखे हाथ दोवु गोड़ा परि राखे दृष्टि त्रिकुटी मध्य जुठाने ताको गोरख भद्र बखाने.
And release. Now you can bring the toes down, optional, or you can maintain them up. Now you're going to bring the hands together into Padma Mudra. And you're going to stretch the arms all the way up, inhaling, looking all the way up through the fingertips towards the sky into Suryasana.
येडी दोवु गुदा तरि आने फणा पानी बैठक पुनिठाने गोड़ा जंघ अधर करि रहे आड़े वाय इसी विधि गहे दोवु भुजा नभ दिशा पसारे कमल स्वरूप अंगुरि धारे पहुँचा मधि छिद्र पुनिताने छिद्र विखे पुनि दृष्टि जुआने.
And release. Hands on the knees, keeping the knees separate. You can sit all the way towards the ground if your knees are okay with that. Otherwise, you can continue sitting on the heels of your feet. Okay? Now we're going to enter into Mandukasana here. Just engage the Mula Bandha, sealing the perineal floor, and bringing the chin towards the chest into Jalandhara Bandha. Let's enter into Mandukasana.
पादतलौ पृष्ठदेशे अङ्गुष्ठे द्वे च संस्पृशेत् जानुयुग्मं पुरस्कृत्य साधयेन्मण्डुकासनम्.
Very good. Now let's proceed. You can sit on the heels of your feet into Simhasana, and we're going to do this 3 times. You're going to inhale deeply through the nose. And on the exhale, you're going to exhale forcefully, sticking the tongue out and looking towards the third eye. Okay? 3 times. Inhale.
दक्षिणं सव्यगुल्फेन दक्षिणेन तथेतरं हस्तौ च जान्वोः संस्थाप्य स्वाङ्गुलीश्च प्रसार्य च व्यात्तवक्त्रो निरीक्षेत नासाग्रं सुसमाहितः सिंहासनं भवेदेतत् पूजितं योगिभिः सदा.
Next, you're going to cross the ankles behind you as you hold the opposite toes. Into Bhadrasana.
गुल्फौ च वृषणस्याधः व्युत्क्रमेण समाहितः पादाङ्गुष्ठौ कराभ्यां च धृत्वा वै पृष्ठदेशतः जालन्धरं समासाद्य नासाग्रमवलोकयेत् भद्रासनं भवेदेतत् सर्वव्याधिविनाशकम्.
And release. As we enter into the next asana, knees together, hands on the knees, into Dhanantara asana.
पूर्व विधि परिहाथा की काकसीस्यो फणाशरा मोड़ी पगा की आगुली अग्रिमेढ़ु लगावे.
And let's proceed. Jumping into the tip of your toes, you're going to bring the elbows forward from the inside out into Kaka Bhusandhyasana.
प्रथमे बेसक उकड़ ठाने दोवू हाथ पगवीच आने तिनको मोड़ी नल्या परिल्यावे पिष्ट पछे काकसी करावे.
Release. Hands flat on the ground. Keeping the toes on the ground, we're going to enter into Kani Pavasana. Okay? So you're going to bring the hands flat on the ground, lifting the hips up, bringing the knees above the elbows, and you're going to lean forward. If this is still comfortable for you, you can just rock yourself until you're able to lift both feet up from the ground, pointing the toes back and keeping the chin up.
आसन को गुण आशी दुषिता होई तो आछी होई.
In Kani Pavasana, release. Now from Kani Pavasana, we're going to enter into Kapalyasana. So exactly coming from same foundation, hands are flat on the ground, elbows are bent, lifting the hips up towards the sky. You're going to bring the knees over the top part of your arm, stacking the hips over the shoulders, and slowly you're going to lift the legs up into Kapalyasana.
शीस शीशा धरती ते की पग दो मिलिवा ऊंचा कुकरे पगथली आकाश दिशि सन मुशराशे दोवू हाथा की हथेली दोवू पाशत्या धरती टेको दृष्टिना सा अग्र.
Okay, very good. Next, we're going to move into Parshva Mayurasana. Okay, here you're going to bring the same foundation of the hands, just bringing the knees to the side, towards the right side, bending the elbows, bringing the elbows towards the hip and the knee. You're going to dive the heart forward as you lift the hips up into Parshva Mayurasana.
मयूरं दंडवत् कुर्यात् मायूरं दंडनामकं कुर्यान्मायूरं पार्श्वाभ्यां मायूरपार्श्वनामकम्.
And we're going to do the same thing in the other side. Same thing in the other side. Elbows are coming on your thigh. You're going to lean forward and down.
मयूरं दंडवत् कुर्यात् मायूरं दंडनामकं कुर्यान्मायूरं पार्श्वाभ्यां मायूरपार्श्वनामकम्.
Don't miss a chance to try the asana. If there's any thoughts coming, any self-doubt, just be more into the action, remembering that we're made out of the same wax of Sadashiva. So no thoughts, just enter into the possibility and let the body express.
Let's use the word Sadashiva wax. Dhatu means the source material. Sadashiva wax, out of which all of us are made. Visualize you are made of Sadashiva wax. So you can decide how you want to be because you are Mahasadashiva. So lower that, reduce the tummy size, make you tall, where you want to reduce, where you want to make it big, make it big, do all that, that's all. You are made out of Sadashiva wax.
So with this understanding, let's continue. So now let's bring the hands on the ground and stretch the legs behind you. You're going to bring the right foot all the way forward around the hand. Bring the foot between the hands, keeping the left leg straight into Bhairaga Nathasana.
आसन को गुण पीति जाई.
And we're going to switch, bringing the left foot forward, in between the hands, Bhairaga Nathasana.
आसन को गुण पीति जाई.
And release. Let's proceed to the next. Bringing the elbows on the ground, lifting the hips up into Unmukha Pitta Asana.
भून्यस्तौ जानुनी हस्तौ चतुष्पदमवाङ्मुखम् उत्थापिताङ्घ्रियुगलकटिस्थलमभीरुका.
And release. Bringing the left knee down, left hand below the heart. Stretch both the legs into Vasishthasana.
ऊर्ध्वकुक्कुटवासिष्ठ मरीचिहलमस्त्यकं परिवृत्तिं चोदरस्य विविधं धनुरासनम्.
And switch the sides. Stretch both the legs, Vasishthasana.
ऊर्ध्वकुक्कुटवासिष्ठ मरीचिहलमस्त्यकं परिवृत्तिं चोदरस्य विविधं धनुरासनम्.
Release. Now bring the seat on the ground, stretch the legs in front of you. Make sure the sitting bones are on the ground. We're going to proceed. We're going to proceed with the hands flat. As we sit on the hands, bringing the elbows as close to you as possible. Bringing the chin slightly to the chest into Anjani Asana.
दोऊ कर की उभे हथेली कोरवारिली मेले भेली सो आगाने भूपरिदाखे महाने अंगुली मिली राखे अंगुष्ठ छीदा राखे दोई पुनः हथेली पिष्ट जुजोई तापर मूल द्वार टिक बैसे बहुज्यो जुगती करे एक बैसे.
And let's continue. Inhaling, arms all the way up. And on the exhale, you're going to lean forward and down, holding the big toes with the index and middle finger, lifting the heart, lifting the spine. You're going to lean forward and down into Paschimottanasana.
जानु परिललाटं तु पश्चिमं ताणमुच्यते येन केन प्रकारेण सुखं धार्यं च जायते प्रसार्य पादौ भुवि दण्डरूपौ दोर्भ्यां पादाग्रद्वितयं निगृहीत्वा जानु परिन्यस्तललाटदेशे वसेदिदं पश्चिमतानमाहुः.
Inhaling up. On the exhale, hands behind the head as you inhale. And on the exhale, leaning forward and down into Ugrasana, bringing the elbows down.
स्वपाणिभ्यां दृढं धृत्वा जानु परिशिरोन्यसेत् आसनोग्रमिदं प्रोक्तं भवेदनिलदीपनं देहावसानहरणं पश्चिमोत्तानसंज्ञकं ययेतदासनं श्रेष्ठं प्रत्यहं साधयेत् सुधीः वायुः पश्चिममार्गेण तस्य संचरति ध्रुवम्.
And slowly, inhaling up. And on the exhale, release. We're going to bring the right knee up. Right knee up. Inhaling the right hand up and leaning forward and back. You're going to interlace the hands behind your back. Inhaling. And on the exhale, leaning forward and down into Marichasana.
उत्तानपादं क्रौञ्चं च मरीचिं वीरभद्रकं नटराजं त्रिकोणं च सुप्ताङ्गष्ठप्रसारणे.
Inhaling up